Hi, welcome to everyone. This is Arjun. In the previous class, we had discussed about fundamental theorem of arithmetic and its related problems. In this video, we are going to discuss about LCM and HCF of given numbers. HCF stands for highest common factor. And how can we finding HCF of given numbers? The product of smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. And LCM stands for least common multiple. And how can we find the LCM of the given numbers? That is the product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. You can easily understand how can we finding LCM and HCF of given numbers by the example. Suppose example is find HCF and LCM of 12 and 18 by prime factorization method. First of all, we write the prime factorization of 12 and 18. Now 12 is 2 6 2 3 12 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 raises 2 times and 3 raises 1 time. Now 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. Where 2 raises 1 times, 3 raises 2 times. Now write the common factors. 12 is equal to 2 square into 3 power 1. 18 is equal to 2 power 1 into 3 square. Where 2 as a common factor and 3 as a common factor. Now we want to find HCF and LCM. Now HCF is, I already told you how can we finding HCF of given numbers. The product of the smallest power of each common prime factors. Smallest power where 2 power 1. Smallest power is 3 power 1 is equal to 2 power 1 means 2, 3 power 1 means 3, so 2 3s are 6. That is HCF and LCM. I already told you how can we finding LCM. The product of greatest power of each prime factor. Greatest power into is 2 square. Greatest power is 3 square. Where 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, so 4 9s are 36. So this is the method of LCM and HCF of the given number. Now the relationship between LCM and HCF. If small a and small b are two positive integers, then the relationship between LCM and HCF is HCF of two positive integers into LCM of two positive integers is equal to product of the positive integers. So this is the relationship between LCM and HCF. So we are going to check the relationship between LCM and HCF of given two numbers. For example, LCM and HCF of 12 and 18 are 36 and 6. Now we want to check the relationship between LCM and HCF is LCM into HCF is equal to LCM is 36, HCF is 6. 36 into 6 is 216. Now the product of given two positive integers is 12 into 18 is equal to 216. Where LCM into HCF is equal to 12 into 18. That's why, so this is LCM into HCF is equal to 12 into 8. This is the relationship between LCM and HCF. By the using of relationship between LCM formula, we have to find HCF when LCM and both two positive integers are given, or LCM when HCF and both two positive integers are given. So the formulas of HCF of given two positive integers is equal to product of two numbers by LCM of two numbers, and LCM of two numbers is equal to product of given two positive integers by HCF of given two numbers. Or now we want to find one of the given numbers. A is equal to LCM into HCF by small b, or B is equal to LCM into HCF by small b. These four formulas are used to finding HCM or LCM or small a or small b when remaining three values are given. So this is the relationship between LCM and